Hello everyone, this is Mr. Brass, and today I will be discussing the reality of the provider mask and the comments made by Dana White regarding men's mental health. Here is the video.
I hate this whole men's mental health bullshit that they talk about. Unfortunately, when you're a man, you are the provider. You are the one that takes care of your family. You know, you are the example for your kids when they grow up, and your sons, you know, and your daughters. And you, unfortunately, you can't be that guy I see these guys posting on social media, oh, I had a bad day and I'm so sad and all this other crazy shit.
So unattractive.
It's unattractive to other males, let alone women. I can't even imagine. I'm really against all that shit.
Now, Dana, I understand the world you live in. It is one that is full of shirtless men without shoes on, rolling around in a ring and beating the shit out of each other for a couple minutes. But there is a fundamental flaw in the logic that says a provider can't admit to a bad day. In fact, I would argue that putting your mental health first isn't just a luxury, it's a mechanical necessity for anyone who intends to take care of others. Think of it this way, if you're the engine that drives your family's well-being, you don't ignore a check engine light just because you have a long road ahead of you. You pull over, you do the maintenance, and you get back on the road. If you don't, that engine eventually seizes, and a seized engine can't provide for anyone. The data, I don't know if you have known this, Dana, is right in front of us. We have all these men dying at suicide at 3 to 4 times the rate of women, and even more so in certain circumstances like divorce and the like. This isn't because they aren't tough enough, because we have veterans that are killing themselves at breakneck speed. It's because they've been told the only way to be a man is by following your advice and swallowing that poison until it kills them. True resilience isn't about taking hits until you collapse, it's about emotional regulation. If you're burnt out and refusing to talk about it, you aren't there for your family. You're irritable, you're withdrawn, and you're modeling a facade of strength that is actually fragile and hurting them. Being a provider is a marathon, not a 3-round fight. You need a pressure release valve for it. Vulnerability isn't a weakness, it's the courage to ensure that you stay operational for people who rely on you the most. Well, that is all for today. This is Mr. Brass saying goodbye and get wise.